9 Best Jogging Tips. Jogging for beginners. Since life is getting so hectic and busy these days, man hardly has any time to take care of his health. It's not always possible for him to go to the gym because he has so much on his shoulder already, because of which he has started to look for simple ways to keep himself fit. Out of all the popular exercise forms, jogging has recently emerged as the most successful one. It is the easiest to do and comes with several health benefits. The video here has enlisted some basic jogging tips for the newcomers. Best jogging tips: get yourself some nice jogging pants. Before you begin any kind of exercise or jogging, you should make sure you have all the apparel you need to make it work. So for jogging, you will first need to get some comfortable pants that will allow you to breathe well and promote ventilation. This will not restrict your body and help you jog better. So many people feel like wearing clothes while jogging or any exercise is not important, but that is not correct. Perfect clothes give good results always. Dressing is very important in jogging tips. This is very important jogging tips for beginner. Set some goals. Try and figure out the level of commitment you can afford to give in and the time and energy you can supply for your entire jogging routine. No matter what your goals might be, always remember that since you are not used to running, you have to build your pace slowly and steadily. This type of tips for jogging increases your confidence level and very useful to get weight loss. Stretch. Before you start jogging, stretching is important for everyone. This will help to flexible your body and save from body stiffness and injuries, and also helpful to weight loss. This will decrease chances of injury and tone your calves, hamstrings, arms, quads and glutes. Watch what you are eating. You have to check yourself what you are eating before you went to jogging. That is also important jogging tips and technique. So make sure that you are eating after your jogging session or jogging 2 hours after you have finished your meals. Digesting your food is a process itself, and therefore it takes up energy and time. Therefore, learn to be patient and jog only after a few hours of consumption. Hydrate yourself. Drink adequate amount of water throughout the day, and before you are going to start, make sure you are fully hydrated. Jogging exercise is a kind of activity that will elevate your heart rate in no time. You will be thirsty again before you know it. Drink 2 full glasses an hour before you beginning jogging. You will see a difference. Tag a friend along. Want to make jogging a fun activity? Well, you can surely do this by taking a friend along with you. In this way, both of you can encourage one another and push yourselves further. This will not just improve your jogging but also your friendship. Doing things together is always better than doing them alone. Get some music. If you need some motivation to go out every day jog, you can do this with the help of music. It will uplift your mood and help you enjoy the process. Not just that, it will have a soothing effect, and you will also be able to maintain a good pace. So, get yourself a nice playlist and jog happily throughout the week. Before you start the listening the music, take care about headphones that must be comfortable. Follow the same pattern. Try and follow a particular pattern for your jogging session. Make sure you are running at the same time every day. This will prepare your body for the activity and help you jog like a professional sooner than you know it. Also keep a timer, so that you can check your own progress. This is the best tips on jogging to get punctuality and reach your goals. Jog every single day. You don't need to take a break when you jog. Make sure you are doing this every single day. It has more benefits than you can imagine, and it would really good for you if you can make it a part of your daily routine.